time of the day it is. Here we are.
It's early. It's early.
It's early.
If you couldn't tell.
Wayne was just saying it's day one of the fishing marathon of the state of Florida. One of the biggest fishing sends of my whole life, I think. Six times, 7 days. Here, the expert cameraman. Right? We got double cameras today.
Oh,
water
man.
spout out there.
Yeah, water spout right where we want to go.
Yeah. Might go right into the water spout.
I think we are.
Yeah. You can see it out there in the distance, but there it is. Look at that water spout. Gnarly. Probably seen this this flamingo sunset hundreds of times. Well, yeah, more than hundreds of times, right? And it's magical every time. Like Wayne just said, sensory overload. Everywhere you look, beautiful.
They're here, bro.
Yeah, I know. Let's go get them.
There we go. That's how you start the morning right there. Oh, there he goes. Nice.
Got him. Yep. Look at that. Yeah. I think this redfish went into a hole. Get him out.
Oh, he's on it. He's on there. I got him. Hold the rod. Just hold the rod.
I got it. Oh my god. Oh man, he got back into another hole.
No.
I swear to God.
Stop it, dude.
Dude, yes, he got into another hole.
No, he's on there. Oh, hold on. Hold on. Oh, I feel it. He's on here. Oh, man. Look at that fish.
That's a monster. Dude,
Get him close.
look at that fish. Woo. It's a real one. That's a real one. It's a really real one.
Might be over.
Yeah, that might be over. Kind of checked out there for a couple hours. Just been really on the mission here. Trying to find a little weather window between the rain and the wind and now the sunshine. We tried real hard. We're still victorious. We got greedy, but hey, you know what? Great day on the water, baby. Can't complain. Yeah, victory lap, man. In South Florida, there's nothing like this place. One of the most beautiful places in the world. We're bringing home some goodies. Got my good friend Harrison here. These memories are priceless. Watching Wayne jump in after a 27-inch rare that took itself into a hole, not once, but twice. And getting it out, man, that's what it's all about. Oh, come on, man. I thought you were taking me there. Go ahead, hop out. You don't want me to ride there. Look at that. That's what you want. Chop, chop. Dinner. Pretty nice right there.
Not bad.
Not bad. Oh man.
That's dinner right there.
Look at that. Oh, dude, that looks ridiculous. That looks ridiculous.